Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock the rose tea in Heartopia. First, you will need to plant roses because it takes forever for it to grow. So you will need only the red roses for this recipe. You cannot use other rose colors or else it won't work. You need to be level 12 of the cooking hobby to unlock the green tea recipe that you will be able to purchase from Massimo. You will need the tea leaves, which you need to be level 11 of the gardening hobby. And then here's how you can cook it basically. Again, it only works with the red ones, and I only have two, so hopefully I don't mess it up. Make sure you've cooked the green tea recipe first, or else when switching it up, it won't work. So make sure you always cook the base ingredients before unlocking any hidden ones. I feel like by this level you should know by now. So just going to cook it. It takes 7 clicks, so I'll just wait for it to cook and I'll show you guys the end results. Okay, and this is what the rose tea looks like. It is super pretty, super pink, but it takes forever to make, but it's still like my favorite looking drink so far, I guess. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!